Hey elites, today's video is all about balance, how to check your balance and how to improve your balance. If this interests you, stick around. Hey elites, it is Stephen Levesque with EliteFitnessWithSteve.com, and I am so excited to do this video. I know it's been a while. Before I even start, I want to say hello to my existing subscribers and welcome to my new subscribers. The channel's getting 1 to 2 to 3 subscribers every single day. This is my absolute insane time for training athletes and the general public, so please forgive me for not filming for a little bit. Today I wanted to show you a video on balance and why balance is so important. If you are an athlete, why balance is so important, because it'll improve, balance training will improve your performance and decrease your risk of injury. And if for the general public, the reason why you want to do balance training is as we get older, falling becomes an issue. And so you definitely want to have that in your workout vocabulary. Now here is the test that I want to show you for balance. If you're in the shower and you're trying to wash your leg like this, and if you have to grab the wall when your leg is up, you need to work on your balance. The other side, same thing. And it's just a quick little test that I tell my clients to do. If you can't lift that foot up without touching the side of the shower, just work on your balance. So I'm going to show you an easy way to improve your balance. And then I'm going to show you a progression to that first way to improve. And I'm actually going to throw in an exercise too at the end of the video. So I know those athletes out there might be able to do this first movement, but please stay to the end and watch the exercise. Okay, so let me show you this first test. Well, this first way to improve your balance. What you want to do is you want to bring your leg up to 90 degrees and you want to hold it just like that. So you come up and hold it. And the other side, come up and hold it. And it's in this position where the ankle complex has to work, the glutes have to work, the hip complex. It takes a lot of energy, balance, for the body to maintain itself without falling. So it's very neuromuscular when you do this. So you might start this off at first, you might tap, or you might have to hold a wall, but just keep working on it, and eventually you will be able to hold that leg up, straight foot, without falling. That's the first exercise. So let me show you the next one. Okay, so say you have this first exercise down when you come up to balance. Now what you want to do is you want to close your eyes and you want to come up to balance. And do the same thing the other side. Keep your eyes closed and come up to balance. Now, this could completely change the whole exercise. And this is actually what aggravates some of my athletes, because they have this down, but they don't have that down. And that's what you want to do, things that you can't do. Let that ankle complex shake, because that's really good. You'll eventually smooth that out. So now I'm going to show you the exercise, an exercise to do after you get both of them down. Okay, so you performed the hip up and the hip up with eyes closed. Now let's incorporate a biceps curl. So when you start to do this, you might be able to up and then up, but then it's going to drop. But you want to be able to have this up as you curl, just like that. That's the key. And as you change your resistance, it's going to get harder to balance. So again, keep on practicing, just like that. And then eventually what you want to do is keep those eyes closed and try the curl. That just brings you up to a whole nother level. I am so excited, before I end this video, to talk to you guys about what's in this box. I am going to do a Tip Tuesday. I know it's been a while. I'm going to tell you guys what's in this box and the product in this box. And I love this company so much. I actually have a promotion code for all my YouTube people, subscribers, and yeah, I am so proud to be a part of this. So, this is Elite Fitness with Steve. If you like this video, smash that like button and subscribe if you want to. I'll see you real soon. Take care. Peace.